If you want to power off your Samsung Galaxy A57 but you don't know the screen lock password, then of course without it you cannot simply turn off the phone. If we try to power it off, we are asked to enter the screen lock passwords. And since we don't remember the password, of course, it is not possible to do so. So what you can do instead is we can perform a force restart of the phone by using the power button and the volume down button. You will need to hold for a couple of seconds until the screen shuts down. Once the screen shuts down, you will need to use a USB cable and connect your phone to your computer or laptop. We will need to do this immediately once the screen shuts down, and then right after that, once you connect the USB cable and connect your phone to your computer, you want to use power button and volume up button and hold these two buttons until you enter the recovery mode. So let's get right into it. First, I'm going to use the power and volume down button and just keep holding. And once the screen shuts down, we're gonna connect the cable. There we go. And then right after that, press and hold power and volume up. And now just keep holding to go to the recovery mode. There we go. Now in here, I can actually just unplug the cable. And once we are in the recovery mode, we can navigate by using volume button. So we can use volume up or volume down. And we want to select the power off option. Once you see the power off option, once it is highlighted, you want to use the power button in order to confirm your choice. And there we go, the phone is now completely off. Now, the next time you turn on the phone, there is a chance that you will go back to the recovery mode. So let's see if that's truly the case. If you do, then you will have to reboot your phone, which can be done over here. There we go. So you will see reboot system now in Android recovery. So you just want to simply press the power button to confirm, and then you will go back to the normal mode. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.